Intermittent fasting has become one of the most popular strategies for weight loss. But does it actually work? The answer is yes, but only when it's done right. Let's break down why intermittent fasting can be effective and when it might not work for you. Why does intermittent fasting work? First, it helps control your calorie intake. By limiting your eating to a specific window, like 8 hours a day, you naturally reduce the opportunities to overeat. For many, this creates a calorie deficit, which is key for weight loss. Second, it improves insulin sensitivity. During the fasting period, your insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to access stored fat and use it for energy. This is one of the reasons fasting is effective for fat loss. Finally, it's simple and sustainable for some people. Unlike restrictive diets, intermittent fasting doesn't focus on what you eat, but when. This flexibility can make it easier to stick with in the long run. But when doesn't it work? If you overeat during your eating window, you can cancel out the calorie deficit. It's also not ideal if you're someone who struggles with hunger or low energy during the fasting period, as this can lead to binge eating or poor food choices later. Additionally, intermittent fasting isn't a magic bullet. If your diet is filled with highly processed or calorie-dense foods, fasting alone won't deliver the results you want. So, who is it for? Intermittent fasting can work for those who find it manageable and can still focus on nutrient-dense, balanced meals. But it's not for everyone. The key to weight loss is finding a strategy that works for your lifestyle and keeps you consistent. If this gave you new insight into fasting, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What was your experience? Let's talk about it.